Okay, so ngayon pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-factor ng sum and difference of two cubes. Okay? Now, pag sinabing sum or difference of two cubes, dapat yung first at yung second term, yung last term, ay perfect cube. Ano yung mga perfect cubes? Okay? Example ng perfect cube ay 1. Kasi, ang 1 ay merong whole number na cube root. Ang cube root ng 1 is also 1. Kasi 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So, ita-times mo siya ng 3 beses to get the perfect cube. So, 1 is a perfect cube. Next, another one is 8. 8 is a perfect cube kasi ang cube root ng 8 ay 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So, therefore, 8 is a perfect cube. Another perfect cube is 27. Kasi ang cube root ng 27 ay 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Ang 25 ba ay perfect cube? No. Kasi wala siyang cube root na whole number. Another one is, let's say, 343. 343 is a perfect cube kasi ang cube root ng 343 is, I think that's 7. Okay? So, meaning to say, eto, 1, 8, 27, 343, sila yung mga perfect cubes at marami pang iba. No? Now, how about if you have variables? Let's say x cube. X cube is a perfect cube kasi ang cube root ng x cube ay x. Why? Kasi x times x squared times x is x cube. You simply add the exponents. No? Another perfect cube is x to the 6th power. Ang cube root ng x to the 6th power ay x squared. Paano nangyari yan? Kasi x squared times x squared times x squared is equal to x to the 6th power. Tinimes natin yung x squared ng 3 beses, ang sagot ay 6, x to the 6th power. Tandaan yung product rule, you simply add the exponent. So, x to the 6th power is a perfect cube. Now, ang tip ko sa inyo, para malaman kung perfect cube yung isang variable, ay kapag yung kanyang exponents, ito, 3, 6, kapag ang exponent niya ay divisible by 3, 9, 12, 15, lahat yan perfect cube. Now, to get the cube root ng exponent, we simply divide by 3. Ngayon, I give an example of sum of two cubes. Let's say x cube plus 27. Okay? Yung x cube ay perfect cube kasi ang exponent niya ay 3 which is divisible by 3. At yung 27 ay a perfect cube kasi meron siyang cube root. That's 3. Now, how to find the factors nito? We have a pattern. Yung pattern natin is x cube plus y cube. Okay? First step, you need to find the cube root of x cube, yung first term. Ang cube root niyan, sabi ko, to find the cube root ng exponent, you simply divide the exponent by 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1 or x na lang. Then, plus. Get the cube root of the second term, yung y cube. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, y. Okay? Sulat natin y. Then, another parenthesis. Next step ay square mo ito. No, yung cube root ng x cube which is x. X times x is x squared. So, sulat natin x squared. Then, minus, multiply mo to. X squared times x squared. You multiply that, ang makukuha natin x times y, rather, x times y, kuha natin ay x, y, plus, square natin yung second term, yung cube root ng y cube, which is y. Y times y is y squared. That's actually our pattern. Now, how about kung iyan naman ay minus or difference of two cubes? The same way, ang magkaiba lang dito ay sign niya. Okay? So, x, cube root ng x cube is x, minus cube root ng y cube is y. Ganon ulit, x times x, x squared, pero yung sign niya dito is plus. Then, multiply x times y, xy, then plus, multiply y by itself, that's y squared. This is actually our formula. Now, kung nahihirapan kayong so, tandaan yung ating pattern, yung ating formula, pwede nyo gamitin itong mnemonics na ito. Yung SOAP. Ano ibig sabihin ng SOAP? S stands for same sign. Okay? So, kung plus dito, yung first sign mo dito is also plus. Same sign ng given. Kung minus dito, yung first sign dito ay minus. That's S. That's same sign. Okay? Next, we have O. Opposite sign. Pag sinabing opposite sign, yung kabaliktaran, no, na sign. So, kung ito ay plus, ito ay magiging minus. Opposite ng plus ay minus. Opposite ng minus ay plus. Okay? Now, we also have AP. AP meaning always positive. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo dito, always positive. So, tandaan lang yung mnemonics once makalimutan yung ating pattern. Okay, balik tayo dun sa ating given. Follow the pattern. What is the cube root of x cube? X. Since plus yan, plus, we will follow this pattern. Okay? Yan. Same sign. Same sign ng given. That's plus. What is the cube root of 27? That's 3. Okay? Next, multiply mo to sa sarili niya. It's x times x. That's actually x squared. Next, ano ang sign? O. Opposite sign ng given. So, kung plus ang given, yan ay minus. Then, multiply this one, x times 3 or 3 times x. Okay? So, that is 3x. What is the next sign? Always positive. Yan. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? So, write this one, 9. This is now yung factors. Ito na ngayon yung factors ng ating sum of two cubes. Okay? Now, pwede nyo i-check yan using distributive property and makukuha nyo dyan itong ating given, x cubed plus 27. So, bahala na kayong mag-check, no? Using distributive property. Okay? Now, let's try another one. Okay, we have the pattern here. No? Example number 2. Let's say we have 8 x to the 6th power minus, let's say, 343. So, 8 is a perfect cube. 343 is a perfect cube. Exponent natin divisible by 3. So, definitely ito ay difference of two cubes. So, again, first step, get the cube root of 8. 2. Kasi 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. X. Sabi ko, to get the cube root of exponent, divide mo sa 3. 6 divided by 3, that's actually 2. Okay? Now, since minus ito, we follow these signs, yung pattern natin, or yung SOAP na mnemonics natin. Same sign ng given, minus. Ano ang cube root ng 343? That's 7. Next, square mo ito. No? So, 2x squared times 2x squared, that's actually 4x to the 4th power. Okay, what's the sign? O, sa slope natin, SO, opposite. Ano opposite ng minus? That's plus. Next, multiply this. Okay, 2x squared times 7, that's actually 14. 14x squared. Next sign, AP, always positive, plus 7 times 7, 49. Yan. So, ito na ngayon yung ating factors ng ating difference of two cubes. Okay? Again, pwede nyo i-check yan using distributive property. Okay? Now, let's try this one. This is our last example. X to the 9th power minus, let's say, 64. Is 64 a perfect cube? I think yes, that's 4. Kasi 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, that's 64. Okay? Now, again, follow the pattern. Let's make this plus para iba naman, no, dun sa number 2. What is the cube root of y to the 9th power? Again, divide natin sa 3 yung 9, so that's y cube. Plus, ano ang cube root ng 64? Yan ay 4. Okay? Next, y cube times y cube, y to the 6th power. Ano ang sign? So, opposite ng plus, it's minus. Next, multiply. Y cube times 4, that's actually 4y cube. Okay? Always positive. 4 times 4, 16. Yan. So, we have now the factors of our given two cubes.